After searching for the perfect truck camper this year, we decided on the Tune M1. Once it was installed, we wasted no time taking it on a Colorado road trip.
Oh wow. That was a little adventure.
God is definitely coming in here.
We made it!
I need wine! It's insane.
Look at that view. This is camping.
And this is how it went.
That is a big bear.
Look at that view. This is camping. And the breeze coming through the windows. It's just awesome. Come on, Natia. Come on. Come on. Come on. Neboj. Co tam dá poslední? Trédiko. So we're on Kebler Pass and we took a turn for Ohio Pass, which is this one. And that was late yesterday, like late evening, and it started to get dark and we couldn't find any camping spots. So this is where this kind of setup is awesome. When you're tired and it's night and you can't find anything, you can just stay on the side somewhere, and we found this cool little area with a bathroom. It's like a bonus. It's basically a beginning of a hiking trail.
Is the trail not sure where it goes? It's beautiful here.
You good? But you have to be hand-fed. Miss Drama Queen, every time you go into heat, you act up. Why can't you just eat it?
I think that's it?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
So in the last minute we decided to do a little change to our route.
We were in Crested Butte yesterday. We spent the night, we're on Kebler Pass, on the road that leads to Kebler Pass. We spent the night somewhere around here, I think. And we are headed west. There's a little town there, don't know the name of it. And then I think we're going towards Delta. Right?
Yeah. And then we go down to Montrose.
Oh yeah.
And original plan was go to Uray
First.
Yep. But we're gonna, what's this one? Ridgeway. So we're gonna go to Ridgeway, and instead of going to Uray, we're gonna go to Telluride, and we're gonna take this. This is supposed to be some spectacular drive, Les Dal Road. You gotta have a 4x4 and high rear ends, and there's gonna be mild off camber. So wondering how that's gonna go. And then from Telluride we're gonna take Imogen Pass. That's gonna be beautiful too. Yeah.
And if we survive it, we'll end up in Uray.
Sounds good.
Well, let's get to Telluride first.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin. Don't know if we should stop or begin. 'Cause I was there by your side, with my eyes open wide, and I know that will always be true. There were no reasons why. Guess all beauty must die. We try hard, but we also so reckless, so reckless.
We made a stop in Montrose. And we're gonna stay in a hotel just for one night so that we could take a shower and do laundry and reorganize our things. Looks good. Nice views. You're skinny so that people don't think we're starving you. Here, have a hot dog. And maybe I'll give you some of my bread too. Doing some grilled cheese? Yes? Yeah. Is it good? I'm actually using the same hand to feed myself and you. I don't think that's very sanitary. But what the heck?
Ooh.
I think we have a storm following us the entire time. Always gets stormy. But that's okay because we're going to stay in a hotel tonight. So, no big deal. It's a pretty gnarly creek, river, I'm not sure what it is. Hardcore training. Yeah. Wow. Whoa. Woo.
It's jumping.
I'm glad we did not rent a canoe. Yeah, it's fun to watch.
I would like to try it.
I'm sure you would.
I'm not sure if I would survive it, but I would like to try it.
I'll just be recording, not trying that.
It's irrepressible thoughts of death party. Eric, they're in a big corporate idea session. No one is to be admitted.
Finally, the storm came, which is awesome because we're gonna get a nice car wash. And $16 later, we finally have clean clothes again. Yay! I don't know how we managed to accumulate furloughs in 6 days. I think that's pretty impressive. And now we have clean clothes to wear. So that's awesome. We're staying at Super 8, and the room smells very strongly of bleach. But they allow dogs, so can't really complain. Don't mind the mess. This is a real world road tripping aftermath. I mean, this is most of the laundry. That's what I washed. I still have some to fold. But yeah, not too bad. This is the second time that we have stayed in a dog-friendly hotel. We have never stayed in a hotel with Athena before, so we're kind of new to this. And the first hotel we stayed at in Denver, can't remember the name. That was a pretty good hotel. It was pretty clean, very dog friendly. I know the name. Aloft? I have to look up how to pronounce the hotel name.
I'm gonna call it a lot. That one was great. In a bizarre twist, although it rained, the truck is still filthy. I don't know if you're allowed to be on the bed.
Whipped cream sauce.
But shh, we won't tell anybody.
That sounds really
It's
good.
okay, she helps me
We
sleep.
won't tell on
You
you.
should order it too. For dessert.
She is so tired.
If you have seen the movie True Grit, the opening and closing scenes were filmed at this location. What a gorgeous place for a ranch.
I can't believe we got this camping spot. This is absolutely insane. We got a nice kitchen window
Yeah.
with the sunset.
It's gotten very windy. Our dinner was cut short